Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Press the Windows key and the plus key to open Magnifier now. This launches the tool and starts magnification immediately so you can see changes. Magnifier supports 3 primary modes: full screen, lens, and docked for flexible viewing. Full screen magnifies the entire display at once for large content. Lens creates a movable viewing window that follows the cursor when you scroll or move the mouse. Docked pins a magnified strip to the top of the display to keep context visible. To change magnification, quickly use Windows++ to zoom in and Windows+- to zoom out. Each press changes the zoom level so you can reach from 100% to 400% smoothly. Use Ctrl+Alt+F to switch to full screen mode and Ctrl+Alt+L to switch to lens mode. Press Ctrl+Alt+D to choose docked mode. Press Windows+S to close Magnifier immediately when you no longer need it. These shortcuts make navigation faster than using settings menus. Open Magnifier settings to customize tracking behavior so it follows your mouse, keyboard focus, or text caret. Change color inversion with Ctrl+Alt+I to increase contrast and reduce eye strain for reading. Enable smooth edges and maintain aspect ratio in settings for clearer text while zoomed. Set Magnifier to start at sign-in if you always need it, so it launches before you log in. Use a combination of docked mode and keyboard focus, tracking for stable navigation while editing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.